So y'all, I'm about to clean my bathroom. This is realistic, real time. Like this is how my bathroom end up looking. So the first thing I'm gonna do is declutter it, take everything off the counters and put it where it belongs. Everything off the bathroom floor and put it where it belongs because it'll make it way easier if I just get it out the way, the decluttering out the way. I have 8 kids and a husband, so it gets dirty fairly quickly and organized really quickly. The first thing I like to do is sweep my floors. Yes, with my floors. Had to do a thorough sweep because Ari decided she wanted to flat iron her hair, so I had them little hairs everywhere and it was driving me crazy, y'all. I don't like hairs all over the bathroom. I know, weird, but I don't. So I'm doing like a thorough sweep of this towel, my floor. The next thing I'm gonna do is run me some water to clean and sanitize the whole entire bathroom. I had to put the toothbrushes away so there's gonna get chemicals on them as I'm spraying everything down. I'm just doing a wipe down of everything. First thing I'm doing is wiping down the sink. I had to wipe it down a couple of times. Like I said, I already flat ironed her hair, so I had hair everywhere. I wiped down the cabinets. I wiped down the toilet thoroughly because I got boys. So you know how it is when you got boys. You got to do it thoroughly. I had to keep changing the water. Here I am cleaning my shower. Got that cleaned up because the soap scum on my showers was ridiculous. I don't know how I get that much soap scum on the walls, but I got it off and it took me a good minute to get all the soap scum off. So I had to empty my water. I only use one chemical to clean my bathroom. I'm looking into other chemicals, but I'm not sure. I'm looking into different type of brands and more natural brands, honestly. So I clean my toilet bowl. Now I'm about to mop my floors because whew, them floors looked it. I don't know how my floors get so bad. Girl, you know your floors got so bad. You got 8 kids and a husband. Anyways, the old cedar mop, I love the old cedar mop. Y'all, how y'all think my bathroom came out? I think it came out amazing. It'll stay clean like this for 24 hours and then it will be right back to square one. But I love how it came out and I love how I organized it and it smells really, really good.